I am going to do an unboxing of this little Dremel Ultra Saw. Excuse me. I'm in the bathroom, and the bathroom isn't the best place to be because my sewage is still open. I have it capped off, but it's still open. But anyhow, yeah, this is the unboxing of the Dremel Saw. Alrighty then, here we go. I think this thing's going to be a really, really awesome tool. So pull out the pamphlet, blah, 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 blah. Gotta read about all that, because I usually just wing things. Let's see. Here are all my different blades, which is awesome. And oh goodness. Okay. And there's also a bag for the Dremel to store it in. So we will take this box away, and I'm pushing the camera. Lock it down. There we go. And here we go. So yes, I definitely have to learn a little bit about this before I use it. These. Oh, okay, a key. But this is going to be a great, great tool for this job. It has different cutting levels. I can do a light cut. I can do a deeper cut. I plan on doing a light cut when I cut out. Let me see. When I cut out this over here, because I want to see what the support boards are like underneath. So I'm going to read. I'm going to close it down for the day and read about this. Learn how to, oops, ouch. Break the camera. Learn how to use this. And go to work with it. That's my next project. Cutting out this floor. Man, I'll tell you learn a lot when you renovate an RV. You learn a lot. If you have the patience or the know-how, and I'm kind of winging it, so don't take everything I take real seriously, because like I said, I'm winging this. I'm doing this on my own, and I'm trying to use my common sense with this project. So I will be cutting out that floor. Today's project, I'm going to use the Dremel. Okay, so here's the key. To unlock my bolt. Let's see. I'm checking with the manual just to be sure I'm doing this right. Okay, I've already put the handle on, which was no big deal because it just screwed into there. Okay, so this is the guard face. This is the lock bolt, which I need to remove. There we go. Okay, I got it now. There's a spindle lock up here. You have to push it in to unlock it. Makes a lot more sense. It's like I kept spinning it. Okay, so what I do now, there's an inner washer, the outer washer, inner washer, I don't know, does it stay on? Okay, so I don't understand the flush cutting wheel. I will research that later. I can still use the regular wood blade instead. So I'm going to put this back on. Put the blade over that. Put that guard back on. Counterclockwise, and my blade is in. Guess it's tight. Of course, it's unplugged right now. So now I have to set my guard plate, unlock it, do that. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. This is fun. This is cool. Okay, now it's going to hold it a different direction. Let me see, I don't... Not a toy, that's for sure.
And this time I'm using the lovely gloves that Carol gave me, the nice leather gloves. I need a knee pad. Alrighty. Get my phones out of my pocket. Solid. I'm just doing a light score. Solid there. Solid here. Okay. Okay, ready, set, yikes. Are we ready? I reckon. I don't know. This is the first time I'm used to this thing. If anything, I cut the linoleum. And there's our floor, folks. Okay, so I am cutting in the right places. And this is the reason I didn't cut down too far. There's a metal plate right here. This has been the handiest tool. So funny. Who would think a screwdriver would be such a great tool? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to lower it a little bit more. Very careful not to push anything. Okay, let's see what that does. Take the cords out of the way. I ran into something up here that made me stop. Not too sure what. You know, if you run into something, stop, because you don't know what you're running into. That's solid. That's a little bit of brace. So, because of this right here, I'm going to cut over a little further. So we need big wood. We don't need any rotten wood at all. Okay, you can tell I'm hitting good wood now. I'm going to have to take this piece off. I'm not using it anyhow. So I can get up to the wall. It wants to kick back. I don't like that. As far as the cut, I'm going to lower it, I'm going to raise it just a little bit more. Don't raise it too much more.
Well, I'm glad whew. I'm glad I didn't have my camera bag any closer. I should have moved it far away because it got covered with dust, as did everything else here, but everything else here doesn't really matter as much. So I'm going to move that and then get started on this side. Oh, this is so freaking cool, and my camera is so freaking dirty. Ugh, even though I had it pulled back with the zoom lens on, it still got pretty dirty. I did have to buy another selfie stick the other day because I needed the mount, because I cannot find my mount. And this one's actually better anyhow because it's more spring-loaded and I can attach it to my tripod. So in order to save my camera, I am going to use the cell phone. The quality may not be as good, but my camera will be safer.
Yes, always wear safety glasses. Now you can tell I have the mask back on. Always wear safety glasses. When you're doing this kind of stuff, wear your gloves, wear a respirator, protect yourself. Okay, I need my knee pad over here. I didn't clean up the mess yet. Why bother? Still gotta clean up this side. Okay, there we go. Knee pad, blah, blah, blah. Here we're gonna think I'm having a party. That's pretty cool to learn a little bit more about the Silver Streak structure this way. I like that. So, okay, and the saw was far enough that it didn't hit the silver or the aluminum. So that's pretty good. Oh my goodness, though. What a lot of work. Look at that.